Every year, millions of lamps light up the night sky, homes are decorated with rangolis, sweets are exchanged, and joy fills the air. But behind the celebration of Diwali lies a story of victory, hope, and light that has guided generations. Welcome to this journey into the real meaning of Diwali, the festival of lights. Diwali has deep roots in India's ancient history. For Hindus, it marks the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile and his victory over the demon king Ravana. To welcome him home, the people of Ayodhya lit oil lamps across the kingdom, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil and light over darkness. But that's not all. In other parts of India, Diwali is also celebrated for goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity, who is believed to visit homes that are clean, bright, and filled with positivity. The word Diwali comes from the Sanskrit Deepavali, meaning a row of lights. These lights aren't just for decoration, they represent the light within us, the power of goodness, knowledge, and truth to overcome ignorance and darkness. Each diya we light reminds us to spread kindness, remove negativity, and keep faith even in dark times. In North India, homes are adorned with lamps and rangolis as people celebrate Lord Rama's return. In Gujarat, Diwali marks the new year, a time for business blessings and prayers to Lakshmi and Ganesha. In Bengal, it's the night of Kali Puja, celebrating the fierce form of the goddess who destroys evil. And in South India, it commemorates Lord Krishna's victory over Narkasura, a symbol of the end of suffering and ignorance. Diwali isn't just about celebration, it's about reflection. It reminds us to clean not just our homes, but our hearts. To forgive, to start anew, and to let go of past darkness. It's about sharing joy, helping the less fortunate, and spreading light wherever we can. So this Diwali, as you light that first diya, remember, it's not just a flame. It's a symbol of hope, courage, and unity. Let's make this festival not only about lighting our homes but about lighting the world with love and compassion. Wishing you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Growing Minds Through Stories.